Guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix our WWE 2K26 not launching, or it just keeps crashing. So let's get straight into the video. So the first thing you guys can do is go ahead and open up Steam if you purchased it from Steam. From here you want to look for WWE 2K26 and just simply right click on it and hit Properties. From Properties you can make your way over to Installed Files and then go ahead and select Verify Integrity of Game Files. Once that's done verifying, you can go ahead and X out of here and try launching the game. Once that basically is finished, you can try checking to see if that fixes the issue. The second method you guys can try doing is by going over to the search bar and typing in Device Manager. Once the Device Manager is open, go ahead and look for Display Adapters. Click on into it and right click on your drivers and click on Update Driver. Once you click on Update Driver, just click on Search Automatically for drivers. Now you can also update your drivers by going over to the NVIDIA app directly if you're using NVIDIA, or if you're using AMD, you can use the AMD equivalent app, but basically just update it from here. And yeah, that's basically it. Once you're done with both of these steps, you guys can try also restarting your PC, and that should fix the issue. So that should be it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.